Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in News ENC channel. Okay, in the last video in Visual Basic tutorial, we have discussed about if and case for conditional statement. Okay, now I want to discuss or explaining about loop in Visual Basic or loop structures. You can see here guys, loop structure, Visual Basic loop structure allow you to run one or more lines of code repetitively. Okay, and in loops you can use many script in here. You can use using while loops, do loops, for each loops. And now for this video I will explain for loops and for each loops, and put often used in script in Visual Basic. This is for statement in Visual Basic using for next, and later we also we will to explain about for each also. And after for loops and for each loops in other video, I will also explain using while loops and do loops. And then first I will explain to script about for loops and for each loop. Okay guys, before we start going to learning about how to use loop in Visual Basic, I want to create new project here, and I will give the name of my project loop using for, like this, using for statement. Okay guys, then I choose Windows Form application like usually we create the project. I click OK. While creating the project, I want to show you about the structures of look in here. You can see the previous code perform action to be repeat. Is the condition is true, then script will yes and next code to run. But is the condition is false, the script will back to here. You can see here, and then back to perform action to be repeat. So if we are using loop in Visual Basic, we can also stop the loops in the body of script or the body of code. Okay, so I will show you how to using loop statement using Visual Basic in very simple program or item. In here I add button 1 and combo box 1 in here. I see, or I drag in here, sorry. Then I want to change the text of button to gets loop, like here. And then now I double click in button here guys, and I want to show you how to using loop in very simple mode in Visual Basic programming. For example, I want to declare about one variable, for example I am variable, I am a string here. And then using for statement, we will see here guys, for statement is like this. I will show you in it for here. For no, I think the loop not good for string here. I will give the integer. for IM equal 1 2, you can see here for IM equal 1 to 100, you can see I will fill the combo box with, I will zoom the script, combo box dot items dot add. You can see I will add the IM in here. Will show number 1 till 100. You can see here, guys, it's very simple, and I will running this project. Before I click button 1, the combo box 1 will not showing anything, or it's still empty. But after I click button 1, they must have the value for 1 till 100. You can see here, and I've clicked the gets loop. You can see the script is loop and repeating after till 100. You can see here, you can see, guys, and this is very useful for sometimes you want to use this loop. And now in two method, actually you can also using the script like this. I will comment this, guys, and I will paste in other. In method 2, you can see if I also can write the code something like this, for IM as integer equal 1 to 200, for example, then combo box 1 dot items dot add using IM. Okay, you can see here, guys, in the last experiment we try, we declare a variable in above of the script 4, but for very simpler, we can also declare a variable for one line like this. Okay, and then I will try to run this project. If the script is right, I will show value 1 till 200. Okay, still empty, and I will click get loops here, and I will, you can see the script is works. So you can use alternative if more simple or simpler, you can using here, or if you like the tile script, you can use here. Okay, and this enough, and I will oh, before enough, I will show you we can stop loop in sometime need condition. We can stop the loop, for example, in some time you need the loop for break to some condition, then you can use like this, guys. You can using if for example, if combo box, for example, guys, it just example, and you can suitable or match with your needs, items dot index of, in here I will create index of 5 equal to 4, then you can stop or break the loop using exit for like this. Okay guys, you can see if the combo box 1.item index of 5 or the value of index of 5 is equal to index 4, then the script will break or will stop the loop. Okay, I will try the start guys. In the last experiment, if we click the button 1, the combo box value is 1 till 200. But if now I click get loop, I will just see 1 till 5. If I read guys, I try to get loop, then you can see here guys, why this just till 5, because the condition is here is right. The index of or value of index 4 is 5. This condition is right. I will explaining more detail about this. For example, in combo box, index start with 0, and you can see here I will create like this for easy to understand for you, and the value equal to 1, and continue like this guys. I just give you a very simpler for easy to understand. Okay, you can see here guys, and if I hover like in here, you can see retrieve the index with the collection of the specific item, and this is a value. You can see here the value 5 in here is equal to index 4 in here. You can I will give the description for more uh, index, and in the right side is value. You can see here guys, you can see if the index for the value is 5, and in this script is reverse guys. You can see this description, combo box dot object collection dot index of value as object, then the value is here, is this, you can see is here, is it okay guys, and the index is 4. So this condition is right, and then I exit 4 or exit the loops. If the condition is false, for example I change 4 to 5, this condition is never true, so this loop will always happen. Okay, I will show you if the condition is false, the script will not stop the loops. You can see, because the condition is always false in here, so the value 5 is not in index 5. Okay, because the right is in index 4. Okay, for this I will comment and show you how we can also using for statement for useful information about years, and I will show you guys. I will cut here and I will paste here, and I will give something new for you. I will show you if the for statement is very useful sometime if we want to show about years information. For I am as I think this is not using as because we not to describe. For I am in here equal to date time guys, date time dot now dot year, like this. I will to show years 45 to back. Okay, 45 back from now. Okay, until now years. For example, the time dot now year minus 45 in back, guys. In this is the script. Okay, to the time dot now dot year, and I will fill the combo box one dot items dot add, and I will fill with im variable. Okay, and I will try running this project, guys. I hope the script is right. You can see I will click get loops, guys. Get loops. You can see here, guys, this is the script will show from year in 45 backwards. Okay, so this script is also is about years 1972 till now years. In this case is 2017, guys. It's very useful if you are you want to using this year information in here. Okay, so how we can see what the index we select. You can using script like this, guys, and I will back to form one design. If you want to see what your selected index in combo box, you can double click in here, and then combo box dot select index change. You can declare about dim, for example, ff as string. Okay, guys, and then ff is equal to combo box one. I will zoom this, guys, for you. ff dot combo box one dot items dot select index. I think here is not index of, guys, not item. I mean is selected index like this. Okay, so in if you selected index change, you can show with music box. For example, music box dot show is equal to, or we are we want to using ff to showing about this information what the index we select. Okay, we start here, and I will click get loops one time here. Now you can see if I select this, guys, the script will give me the message box what the index I select, and 1972 is in index 0, and of course continue is 1, and you can see if I click 2017 is index 45, like we are using the time now dot year minus 45 to that time now in the script. Okay, and that's all for our for statement. And I want to give the comment here, guys. I will or in here, just here. Okay, I will click comment, and I will put in below. So this also I will put in below, so don't execute or don't confuse our learning. Okay, for next statement is done, and now we want to using also for each statement. You can see here, guys, and nested loop. You can nest for each loop by putting one loop within another. To following example demonstrate nest for each statement. Okay, sometime you using for each like this, guys, because it's very complex. This is example in Microsoft Developer Network using number and letter, and we want to try it's very simple. For example, my num has string here, for example, but string here is in array, guys, is equal like this. For example, when a, when b, when b, and in the last we will show in 1c. Okay, guys, I just give you the example, simpler, more than example in Microsoft Developer Networks, so you can understand with more easily. Okay, for each num num2 like this, for example, num2 in my num, and then I will put or fill the combo box 1 dot items, sorry guys, items dot add, and I will add the num2 here. This is very simple, but you can see what the script mean. If this mistake, I will see the reference in Microsoft Developer Network. Still empty, and I will click the gets loop. You can see, guys, this value is a1, ab, or I'm false, sorry, I mean is 1a, 1b, and 1c here. Sorry for my bad English, guys, but I will try the best. Okay, this is for each num in my num, like this. And in Microsoft Developer Network, you can see you can also use nested loop like this, for example. And for nested loop, you can see in here, if do you want to nested loop again, or okay, I will show you like this, guys, and I will show you like this, guys. For example, in nested loop here, for each, and I will create new variable dim unum like this. For example, unum as integer is equal to, for example, 1000, 2000, and 3000, like this. For num2 in unum, and I will click the enter. Oh, I think my script is false here, and I will delete this. For each num in unum, and I will create again for each uh, num2 in unum. I false because I delete the script before, and I give the num3 in after unum. I will create the my num. I think it's make you confused, guys, so I will create my num first in here so you don't confuse, and in this I will unum like this, and I will combo box dot items dot add is equal to num2 and num3. This is just for example, guys. I will try this project and show you how to this script it works. Okay, I will click get loops here, and you can see the script is showing about a1 1000, a1 2000, and a1 3000, and you can add space, so don't confuse. You can add space with like this, guys, if you don't want to confuse with your group in your script day. You can use string like this, and I will try running this project again, and you can see. Okay, I think it will be the last after our discussion about loop using for statement. I will click get loops. You can see a1 1000, a1 2000, a1 3000. Sometimes you need using script like this in Visual Basic. So that's all for our learning today, or our video tutorial about how to using loop statement using for statement. And you can download this project in www.nuus.co.id/web, or I think /web for this script, or you can download this project in video description detail in my channel. Thank you, and in the next video I will explain about loops using do and while. Okay, do and while. Thanks for now, and I think it's enough. Bye bye.